Today is the next lesson how a prompt is converted and how a prompt, for example, if you are typing a sentence like once upon a time, then how the LLMs predict the next word. So, here, for example, we give a prompt once upon a time. Then this prompt is tokenized. Now, what do you mean by tokenization? Tokenization means all words have been assigned a number. Because large language models or machine learning, machine languages cannot understand the words, they can only understand in terms of numbers. So, every word is assigned a number. For example, once will be assigned a number, upon will be assigned a number, a will be assigned a number, and time will be assigned a number. So, this process is known as tokenization. So, when you give a prompt, it is being tokenized. Then, after tokenization, it is sent to context. Now, what does that mean? It is actually the running memory of large language model. So, what happens here is that it whatever the prompt is sent here, it will at once give the complete prompt. For example, here in case once upon a time to large language models. Now, the large language model, on the basis of its training and the basis of its understanding of the words and relations, it will it will type a new, just a second. So it will just predict a new word. For example, it will now say once upon a time there. Okay, so it will just give a new word on the basis of its understanding. That means it will tokenize a new word there. Then, after again, all the settings, all the complete words, that is, once upon a time there, will be again sent to large language models. Now, it will again tokenize a new word on the basis of understanding. For example, we take here once upon a time there was. Okay, then again, the beauty here is that it will not send the words or the sentences one by one. It will send the complete sentence once upon a time there was again to the LLMs, and it will again tokenize the next predicted word on the basis of its learning, on the basis of its understanding. So, for example, here it gives once upon a time there was a king. This is a complete sentence which it gives. Now, finally, when we get this sentence, which will be in a tokenized form. What do you mean by tokenized? That means it will be in the form of numbers. Now, these numbers will be converted to DTOK. What is DTOK? Detokenization. That means all these numbers will be converted into words, which will finally lead to completion. Yeah. So, which will be predicted, which will be depicted on the screen as these common words. So this is how the prompt or the large language models work. Thank you so much. We'll share the next in the next classes.